The country is on a growth path, and that means the government is busy facilitating and implementing programs to empower individuals through sustainable business opportunities.
I started out as an investigating scientist. I'm a part of a joint venture with the Jamaica Agricultural Development Foundation and the University of the West Indies, where I conducted research to localize the techniques of growing cotton in Jamaica. And from that I obtained an MPhil degree. I moved over into a pilot commercial project. Then soon after I became a full commercial contracted farmer with the Jamaica Agricultural Development Foundation.
Otis Francis is one of 3 farmers now operating a combined 300 acres of cotton farms in St. Mary and St. Catherine. These farms specialize in premium West Indian Sea Island cotton. Through bilateral partnership between the Jamaica Agricultural Development Foundation and the government of Japan, $11 million was spent to revive the sector. Well-needed equipment such as high crop tractor, a boom sprayer and inter-row cultivator were purchased in 2014 to drive production, and today the success is evident.
We have reaped or harvested a total of 41,000 pounds of seed cotton to date. That translates into 8,500 pounds of lint. The first positive impact that the equipment will have is the speed at which we can get things done. The speed and the ease. Also, with mechanization, we find that the cost to undertake certain activities is lowered.
Cotton reaped from this field in Old Harbour, St. Catherine will be exported to Venezuela, and the estimated earnings is 9 million Jamaican dollars. This is just a fraction of the potential foreign exchange earning of $1 billion for the country.
West Indian Sea Island cotton presents an immense opportunity for Jamaica to increase foreign exchange earnings and thereby positively impact the economy.
The rejuvenation of the West Indian Sea Island cotton industry also presents other economic opportunities. When the seeds are separated from the cotton, it can be integrated into animal feed.
The seed is very high in protein content, and actually it's being looked at to be incorporated as cattle feed, and that process is actually a reality right now.
And the sustainability factor of the industry is also looking good.
One most important thing is that we have an accessible and reliable labor force within the environment. It is good in the sense that 8 months out of the year there's practically job available to the otherwise unemployed.
Approximately 200 persons are currently employed on the farms in St. Catherine and close to that figure in St. Mary. And the workers are playing their part to ensure that the sector remains viable.
Well, me is the man where spray, plow land, cut furrow, plant, mechanic work on the tractor, also the machine and everything. So from those things all right, cotton must go on.
And with continued support through the government's economic programs, the sector is expected to grow from the current 300 acres to 800 within the 2015-2016 crop year. The long-term target is 5,000 acres by 2017. But even better, Mr. Francis has his own aspiration for his farm.
For next crop, we're looking to at least double the acreages. The current acreage is being grown now, which should move us up to 600 acres. The vision for this farm is to have most of the steps prior to harvesting mechanized.
Through smart spending by the government, pockets of businesses are coming on stream. Foreign exchange earnings are increasing with new overseas investment opportunities. And most of all, jobs are being created.